Big Papa here. I'm going to show you guys how to cook a tenderloin, and I'm going to do it on my gas grill. I'm going to trim it up nice here, and then I'm going to take my gas grill that I have the left and the right on high, and I'm going to put some jockey marks on it and put some grill marks on it. This is the opposite of reverse sear. Some people call it T-Rex. I actually, with the gas grill, I kind of prefer not the reverse sear. I prefer searing first because I get it exactly how I want. I don't overcook it, and then I can roll it into where I want to finish. What I want to do is get my caramelization on it. Then I'm going to season it because I don't want to burn the seasoning. Once I get a little jockey marks, I'm going to put a little balsamic glaze as glue, and then I'll put a little cash cow and money on it, and I'm going to roast it on the gas grill where I have the left and the right on, and it's around 275 to 300. I'm going to roast it to 125, pull it off, rest, and make everybody a fabulous dinner from there. So let's go. I'm going to start trimming, and then we'll go to the grill. Then we'll come back here to season and put the glaze, and then we'll put it back on the cooker until it's done. So I'm going to go. I like to separate it because what I do with this one is the people who like well done, I'll give them this little bad boy. So just getting all this stuff off. Easy as pie. So this will be the well done piece. So we have that, we're going to set that aside. Now, I want to get the silver skin off. I try and get in there, my fingers, and help. Okay, here we go. Let's just get this silver skin off because this is tough. So when you're cooking a tenderloin, this is a pretty skinny one. Number one, you don't need to cook prime tenderloin. Choice tenderloin is great. But since this tail is so skinny and this is thicker, what I'm going to do is a little trick. By the way, I love these little elastic things. I don't have to learn how to tie the butcher's knot. I can cheat, and you guys will still be impressed. So look at this. Now I'm going to have more useful meat. I think I'm even going to do it on this end a little bit. Just a little bit. And now if you look at this, that's pretty tight, huh? Now it's ready. It's going to cook pretty even. Now, one of the things I like about having different sizes is that I'm cooking for a group tonight, and the people who want medium rare or rare are going to find it here. The people who like it kind of well done are going to find it here. So I can make everybody happy. Well, come on. It's a family gathering. There's always going to be somebody who messes it up. But it won't be the food. So next thing we're going to do, we're going to be at the grill. Okay. Okay, we're going to give these maybe 20 seconds. You watch the fire. I see got a little heat there. See how this looks right here? Perfect. Same angle. Watch this. Look at cross marks deluxe. My glue. Get that money on there. Now we're going to hit it with cash cow. Perfect. Hey, I'm gonna have my favorite son, Casey, trim it up.
What makes me your favorite?
Because you're close to me. I would say that's perfect. Okay, let's slice them up.